This is so beautiful. Look at this rose. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sarah Pedun, and in this channel we talk about all things gardening. So today I'm just going to take you over what I have. I want to show you the birds and the animals that I have here in our little urban farm. I'm going to start with the turkeys. We free range the turkeys, but so I actually don't mind them eating from here. We have some more corn the other side, so they can have this. So now let's go and check on the chickens. So I'm not letting the chickens out today because I can't let everything out at once. Guys, how is my chicken coop? What do you think about my chicken coop? I had a small chicken coop over there and I planted this tree to shade it. And then I just made it a bit larger and I like how it looks. So this plant shades the chicken coop and doesn't make it so obvious. Guys, it's not the best looking chicken coop. I had to disguise it in a way. But over here, I have my chicken. No guys, I don't have anything for you. Oh, I think there's some sunflower seeds there. Let me check and come back. Give me a minute. Okay. There's another one here. Here. The wood shavings that I put here are done. They've all somehow fallen down this way. I need to add more. And here are my ducks. With lots of eggs over there. Actually, the duck is sitting on its eggs. I don't know which one. The other one is sitting on the eggs. So down here I have the ducks. I have the 3 ducks. And I have the chickens up there. And down here we have that little house for that hen. It has 2 chicks. And up here we have our pigeons. I just moved them here. I'm leaving them inside here so they get familiar with the place. I just brought them here yesterday. I'm going to put some sticks for them to stand on. They don't look very happy because they're used to staying outside. But I think I'm going to keep them here for a few days and then let them out. Sugarcane is actually ready. Oh, shoot. It's from that banana. Scared them. So these are my rabbits. So the last sugarcane we ate, I planted the top. Let me show you how it's looking right now. It's grown. It's really grown. Oh no, let it go. Give it to me and let it fly. I was hearing a lot of noise and Rajab laughing, and I phoned him with this. It's not flying. We don't know what to do with it. And I think those are the friends or the parents making a lot of noise. They want it to be free. I don't know. I think I should put it on a tree. But you know, we have a dog here. We have Sky. And I don't want Sky hurting it. It can't fly. Yeah, it's a baby bird. So our little bird is still here. Now it's raining. Oh, Sky, come back. Go away. Go back. I have given it some maize bran. I'm hoping it gets a bit of energy and flies away. Because I don't know if those are the parents at the background making noise. They're really trying to watch out, but there's not much they can do. Let me show you the bird. So I've put it here because I have Sky, and I don't want Sky to kill it. I just want it to get a little bit of energy so it can fly. Where is the bird? So I'm seeing the mother of the bird has come. I don't know if that is the mother or the sister. Rajab, you go and open it and I see what happens. Yeah. So apart from those that I've showed, I have Sky and Smokey. That's my cat and the dog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, if you like my kind of content and you haven't yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. Guys, it helps my channel. See you in the next one.